Look at that, lots.
Oh.
And Rana, lots. Thanks a lot. Oh, listen to that.
Are the chicks making that noise by any chance?
Mm-mm. Come in. There we go. It's coming. There we go.
A little baby.
There we go. Oh, look at that huge one. There we go.
Talk about a multitude of sizes.
Shows you how they're breeding.
Yeah.
Look there, it's holding onto Mummy's tail again. Just in case. Just in case I fall.
24, I'd say 24.
Oh, this one here is having a real wallow. Look at it. Goodness, he's really having a bath. He's made a big hole there. Look there, Joe.
Now he's sitting in it.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. What a silly bully. He's kneeling in it now.
Mm.
He's having a mud bath. That's what he's trying to do.